In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Authy. First, open the EmoAuthie app on your iPhone or Android device. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface. This is where you manage your two-factor authentication tokens. If you have not installed the app yet, take a moment to do so. The Authy app is essential for securing your online accounts. It provides an additional layer of protection beyond just a username and password. Once the app is open, you will be ready to proceed with the backup process. Next, tap the settings icon. This icon usually looks like a gear or wrench located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you tap this icon, you will enter the settings menu where various options for managing your Authy app are displayed. This step is crucial because the settings menu is where you will find the options for account management and backup configurations. From there, open the Accounts or Backup and Sync section. The naming may vary slightly between devices, but you are looking for options related to your accounts or backup settings. In this section, you will manage how your tokens are stored and backed up. It is essential to have a solid backup plan in place. This ensures that you can restore your two-factor authentication tokens if you switch devices or lose access to your current device. Now turn on backups if they are not already enabled. You should see a toggle switch or checkbox to activate this feature. When you enable backups, Authy will prompt you to create a backup password. This password is critical as it will encrypt your two-factor authentication tokens before they are uploaded to Authy's cloud servers. This step is vital because it keeps your sensitive information secure while allowing you to restore it when needed. Create and confirm your backup password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. This password encrypts your tokens, adding an extra layer of security. After entering your password, you will typically need to re-enter it for confirmation. This ensures that you have typed it correctly. A strong backup password is essential for protecting your secure data, so take a moment to choose wisely. After that, save your backup password in a secure place. Remember, Authy does not store this password and cannot recover it if you forget it. Consider using a password manager or writing it down in a safe location. This is important because if you lose your backup password, you could lose access to your encrypted tokens. Taking this precaution will save you a lot of trouble in the future. At this point, after backups are enabled, your tokens can be restored on a new device by signing into Authy with the same phone number and entering your backup password. This means that if you switch phones or need to reinstall Authy, you can easily regain access to your accounts. Knowing that your tokens are safely backed up provides peace of mind. Authy's backups are encrypted on your device before being uploaded, so only someone with your backup password can decrypt them. This is a reassuring feature because it ensures that only you can access your tokens. It adds a layer of privacy and security that is critical in today's digital landscape. Important, if you lose your backup password, Authy cannot recover your encrypted tokens for you. This reinforces the need to keep your password safe and secure. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your Authy backups are successfully set up and that your two-factor authentication tokens are protected.